Hello, we are team number 2 that is compounded by Raúl Crespo, David Limón, Luis Pablo Gomez, and by me, Oscar Castillo. And today we are going to talk about desertification and migration in Mexico. To put you in context, what is desertification? Basically, desertification is that the lands that we used to farm becomes useless to plant seeds. This happened because all the climate change that we are doing to the planet turns to this, that is a desertification. And why it is related with the migration in Mexico? Well, basically 2/3 of Mexico are poor, and 3/4 of these poor people works are farms at the farm or are farmers in a way. Do the desertification that we are running out of lands that are useful to farm, the people start to don't have how to make money, so they take the option to migrate to United States. Why we need to keep an eye this problem? Because this problem is around the world. This problem is happening in all the world, and there's going to be a time when we are going to run out our lands and we are not going to be able to plant again. So this is a really serious problem. Why it is a problem here in Mexico to migrate in the United States? Well, basically migrate to other country like that without our papers is it have a penalization. So we need to keep an eye on this, because this is a social problem, this is a world problem that we need to face in.
Well, the problem that we have is the certification, but the real question is why this affects the migrants go to United States. Well, first of all, the certification, it is when the soil don't produce enough nutrients to the plants or to the soil, and this happened because of the climate change. And why this affect the certification? Because of the climate change, maybe there are a lot of sunny days, and this affect that some plants don't have water, so that's why the soil don't give enough nutrients to the soils or actually to the plants. And people that migrate to the United States here in Mexico, they migrate because maybe they can find better places to have their soils or plants.
So the solution we came upon is that we can develop a special kind of fertilizer that helps adding artificial nutrients to the soil in case that the desertification already reached a point of no coming back. So in that case, usually the soil loses all its nutrients. So this fertilizer would uh, counter the situation, right? This would help farmers have a more established soil where they can keep on growing seeds. And the main idea is to make this fertilizer in a government plan, included in a government plan.
Well, the fertilizers that we offer as a proposal will benefit the farmers, the crops, and the soil in general. This because the substance which is made the fertilizer contains potassium, nitrogen, sodium, and phosphorus, which are necessary for the crop to grow on the land, and also it helps the soil to stop the soil erosion.